Hello everyone! Welcome to YUCa Japanese cooking! Today I want to show you how to make chicken with Miso Mayo Sauce. I know you are very busy on weekdays, so this recipe is for you. In this recipe, you need a few ingredients. Chicken, miso, mayonnaise. Yeah, and then I use 3 kinds of miso today. So it's gonna be white miso and brown miso, and last one, red miso. There are 3 kinds of miso here in Japan mainly, and for more information about those misos, please check my website. There's an article about miso paste. We will combine these 3 miso. So today I will show you easy, simple, and delicious Japanese style chicken dish with using miso and mayonnaise. And during this video, I'll show you some tips and techniques to make delicious dish. So please watch until the end. So I'm ready to cook. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, now let's prepare the chicken. So I prepared 2 types of chicken today, chicken breast and chicken thigh, and it's already cut into bite-sized pieces. So let's keep this aside. Let's cut chicken breast. Okay, cutting part is done, so it's very easy. If you like big pieces, you don't need to cut. So please keep in mind. So let's put this in a refrigerator again. Now let's make miso sauce. It's okay to use 1 miso, but I like to combine to add more flavor. So if you have 2 or 3 kinds of miso, please mix all of them. And normally in Japan, we use this brown color miso. It's a daily miso. Like to make miso soup, we use this kind of brown miso. Now at first, we add a brown miso first. Okay, next, white miso. By the way, this white miso, it tastes sweet compared to brown miso. Fermentation period differs the color of miso and also the flavors. And last one, dark brown miso. Dark brown miso has a very thick and salty flavor. It is said it takes around 3 years to make dark brown miso. So we have 3 kinds of miso in 1 bowl. And then we add mayonnaise here. And today, as a secret ingredient, I want to use the homemade Japanese mayonnaise. This Japanese mayonnaise recipe is in another video, so please check it out. And also, we use the pre-made kewpie mayonnaise. The character of the kewpie is the baby doll. So we add 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So we pour half a half. So 3 of homemade mayonnaise. Homemade mayonnaise has very soft and mild flavor. And pre-made mayonnaise, we use 3 tablespoons pre-made mayonnaise. And the pre-made mayonnaise has a little bit strong sour flavor, so it's good to combine both of them. Now we mix all together. Now the sauce is done. We marinate the chicken in the sauce. Okay, now we divide the sauce into 2 portions. And I put the chicken in a bowl. And let's mix all of them. So if you have a time, let's marinate the chicken for about 10 minutes. If you're in a hurry, you can start stir fry. Okay, now let's start to heat. And we pour canola oil. If the pan is not hot, it's okay. We will slowly stir fry to cook through the chicken. And then I recommend to use the big pan to display all of the chicken at one time. And to cook the chicken, I recommend to put the lid. If you put the lid, the miso sauce will not splash. Miso is easy to be cooked. So I recommend to stir fry around 1 minute or 2 minutes. Oh, it looks so juicy. So miso is easy to be burned. I recommend medium to low heat. So let's continue the other one. So same as chicken thigh, please put the lid and wait for 2 minutes. Okay, let's check the quality. The miso paste splash, so be careful when you turn over. Of course, you can use tongue if it's faster. Then please quickly put lid. Yeah, and then you know what? Japanese people love the shredded cabbage in any dishes. So I want to cut today. Chicken is getting ready. Okay, cabbage is done. So please turn off the heat. And we steam a little bit like this. The heat will be cooked into the chicken. So you need the patience. But in the meantime, you can prepare the decoration. Okay, now let's display the chicken thigh. And I want to display cabbage. Okay, now let's take out the chicken breast. Ooh. And I decorate the electric pre-made salad. Also, a side with the chicken. Okay, now the chicken with miso mayo sauce is done. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I'll start the chicken thigh first. As an extra sauce, I put a pre-made mayonnaise and sprinkle the 7 peppers. Itadakimasu. You definitely feel the mayonnaise at the very beginning. So if you like the mayonnaise flavor, I recommend to put the mayonnaise and 7 pepper aside. And if you don't like spicy, you can skip 7 peppers. Next, let's try chicken breast with mayo sauce. Also 7 peppers. Itadakimasu. The flavor from mayonnaise is so strong, and 7 peppers adds good flavor too. So if you like chunky texture, I recommend chicken thigh. And if you like light and soft texture, I recommend the chicken breast. So please try it out. So how was the recipe today? I hope it's easy to make chicken with miso mayo sauce. If you're in a hurry, but you want to cook a little bit different dish than usual, so I recommend this dish. Do you remember the tips? Okay, tip, please combine 2 or 3 kinds of miso to make miso sauce. It adds good flavor. And tip, if you saute chicken, I recommend to start low heat and sprinkle canola oil. Then display the chicken before the pan starts too hot. And then after displaying, please put lid and slowly cook. And tip, when it's done, don't take off the lid quickly, otherwise the miso paste will splash. Please wait for a while until you don't hear the sound of the splashing. Then please take out, and then your chicken will be soft and well cooked inside. So those are the tips. So thank you for watching, everyone. How was the recipe today? If you have a question, please always ask me, and please comment the box down below. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Sujan has come! Hello everyone, how are you? So she became 11 months now, and then these days she doesn't sleep. So she works with me at night. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye!